Hi everyone! Welcome to CoreMath Academy, where learning maths is fun, easy, and exciting. Let's make maths our superpower.
Hi friends! Today we are going to learn something really cool. How to subtract fractions, which just means taking some away. And the best part? We will use colorful bars so you can see exactly what is happening. No tricky rules to memorize yet, just bars and colors. Ready? Let us jump in. Before we subtract, let us remember what a fraction is. Look at this bar. We chopped it into 4 equal pieces, all the same size. That is important. Then we colored in 3 of them. The bottom number, 4, tells us how many pieces the whole bar has. The top number, 3, tells us how many we colored. So this is 3/4. A fraction is just part of a whole. Easy, right? So what does it mean to subtract 2 fractions? It is just taking away. We start with the colored pieces we have, then we take some of them away, cross them off, and we count what is left. That is it. Subtracting fractions is just taking pieces away and seeing what stays. Quick guide before we start. A colored piece is a piece we have. A pale empty piece is a spot with nothing in it. A piece with a red line through it is one we have taken away. And a handy trick, the fraction we start with is always blue, and the part we take away is always purple. Keep this in mind and you will read every bar like a pro. Time for our very first kind of subtracting, the easiest one. We will subtract fractions that have the same size pieces. When the pieces already match, taking some away is a breeze. Let us see. Here we go. 3/4 take away 1/4. Both bars are cut into 4 equal pieces, so the pieces are the same size. We start with 3 blue pieces and we take 1 away. Count what is left. 1, 2. 2 pieces out of 4. The answer is 2/4. Notice the 4 on the bottom never changed. Did you spot the pattern? When the pieces are the same size, we just subtract the top numbers and keep the bottom number exactly the same. 3 take away 1 is 2. The 4 on the bottom stays put because the pieces did not change size. Subtract the tops, keep the bottom. That is the whole rule for same-size pieces. Now something neat. Sometimes when we take away everything. Every colored piece is gone, and the bar is completely empty. When that happens, we are left with 0. Let us see how it works. 1/2 take away 1/2. We start with 1 blue piece out of 2. Take that 1 piece away, and look, nothing is left. The bar is completely empty. 1/2 minus 1/2 is 0. Another one. 3/4 take away 3/4. We start with 3 blue pieces and take all 3 away. Count what is left. Nothing. An empty bar again. Whenever you take away everything you have, the answer is 0. Here is a clever secret. 2/3 take away 2/3. The tops are both 2. 2 take away 2 is 0. When the top numbers are the same, every piece gets removed and the bar is empty. So if you ever see the same number on top of both fractions, you already know the answer is 0. So far, our bars had matching pieces, but what if they do not? What if one fraction's pieces fit neatly inside the others? Do not worry. Same trick as before. We cut the bigger pieces into smaller ones so everything matches. Let us try it. Let us try 1/2 take away 1/4. Uh-oh. Look closely. The first bar is cut into 2 big pieces, the second into 4 small ones. The blue and purple pieces are different sizes, so we cannot take one away from the other yet. Here is the fix. We take that 1 big blue half and cut it down the middle into 2 smaller pieces. Now it is made of quarters, just like the other bar. And the cool part? We did not change how much is colored. It is the exact same amount of blue. 1/2 is the very same as 2/4. We just gave it more cuts. Now, both bars are cut into quarters, so the pieces are the same size. 2/4 take away 1/4. Take one piece away from 2, and 1 is left. 1/4. Once the pieces matched, it became an easy subtract the tops problem again. Now the trickiest kind, but you can totally handle it. Sometimes the bars are cut completely differently, like halves and thirds, and neither one fits neatly into the other. The trick? We cut both bars into even tinier pieces until they match. Let us see the magic. Let us do 1/2 take away 1/3. The first bar has 2 pieces, the second has 3. These really do not match, and you cannot slice one neatly into the other. So taking one away from the other will not work yet. We need a clever new plan. Here is the magic number 6. We cut both bars into 6 equal pieces. The 1/2 becomes 3/6, and the 1/3 becomes 2/6. Same amount of color as before, just chopped smaller. Now both bars have the exact same tiny pieces. They match. Now both bars are in sixths, so we can finally subtract. 3/6 take away 2/6. Take 2 little pieces away from 3, and 1 is left. 1/6. Once the pieces matched, it turned into our easy subtract the tops trick all over again. Here is an important one: subtracting from a whole bar. Sometimes we start with a completely full bar, or a whole number, and we need to take a fraction away. The trick is to think of the whole as pieces first. Let us see how. 1 whole take away 1/4. Here is a completely full bar. That is 1 whole, and it is the same as 4/4. Take 1/4 away, and 3/4 are left. 1 minus 1/4 is 3/4. Easy when you picture the whole as pieces. 1 whole take away 2/3, but the bar is just one solid whole. There are no thirds to take away yet. So first, we cut the whole into 3 equal pieces. 1 whole is the same as 3/3. Now take 2/3 away, and 1/3 is left. 1 minus 2/3 is 1/3. Last stop. Now that you know about whole bars and fraction pieces, let us subtract them together. We will take a fraction away from a mixed number, and then tackle one that needs a clever borrowing trick. You have got all the skills. Let us put them together. 1½ take away 1/2. This one is gentle. Here is a full bar and a half bar. That is 1½ Take the half away, and we are left with just the 1 full bar. The whole stays whole, and the half is gone. The answer is 1. The grand finale. 2 1/4 take away 3/4. Uh-oh, we only have 1/4, and we need to take away 3/4. We cannot, so we borrow. We break one of the whole bars into 4/4. Now we have 1 whole bar and 5/4. 5/4 take away 3/4 is 2/4. That is 1/2. Put it together, 1 whole and 1/2. The answer is 1½. You did it! And that is it. You can now subtract any fractions. Remember the big idea. Make the pieces the same size, then take away the pieces and count what is left. Same pieces, matching pieces, whole bars, mixed numbers, you have seen them all. You are a fraction subtracting superstar. Go try some on your own.
We did it! Yay! I finally understood it. Learning math can actually be fun. I can't wait to solve more problems.
If you enjoyed learning with us today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to CoreMath Academy. Turn on the notification bell. We'll see you in our next video.
Bye!